Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ASUS ZenFone Zoom, and let me share with you how to soft reset this device. So in order to soft reset this device, we have to press the power button, which is located on the right side of our device, and press it long enough until we will see the black screen and the developer's logo. So this operation will be useful if for some reason your device stopped working properly and you have no idea what to do. So let me try to do it. Let me press this button and keep it pressing, even though we've got this restart option here, but let's keep pressing and ignore it, pretend we cannot tap on it. We've got the black screen, which is good. We had the vibration. Right now we've got the developer's logo, which means that we just successfully soft reset this device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.